fast safely and without damage. A step-by-step post-fast blueprint. Have you ever finished a fast feeling so proud of yourself, only to break it with the wrong food? And then suddenly your stomach hurts, you get bloated, you feel weak, or you lose all the benefits you gained from the fast. This happens to thousands of people. The truth is, right finger, the danger is not in fasting. Right finger, the danger is in breaking the fast wrongly. Most health damage happens after the fast, not during it. So today I'm going to walk you through how to break your dry fast in a simple, safe and effective way. If you follow this blueprint, you will checkmark protect your digestion. Checkmark keep your weight loss results. Checkmark preserve your spiritual clarity. Checkmark avoid discomfort. Checkmark and recover smoothly. Let's begin. Section 1. Why breaking the fast is critical. When you dry fast, your stomach is at rest and resting deeply. It has not processed food produced stomach acid stretched digested anything. For these reasons, suddenly eating heavy food shocks the system. So, breaking the fast is not about eating again. It's about waking the body gently. Section 2. What to eat first, natural restarter foods. Here are the foods that gently reawaken the digestive system. These are your first phase foods. Coconut water, hydration plus minerals. Watermelon, soft, fast absorbing. Pineapple juice, diluted, digestion enzymes. Cucumber, cooling and hydrating. Light vegetable broth, electrolytes. Apple slices, soft and absorbable. Berries, antioxidant rich. Light salad, no heavy dressing. Choose one category, not all at once. For beginners, start with either coconut water or fruits. Take small amounts first. Section 3. How much to eat when breaking the fast. First portion should be half a cup of coconut water or 3 to 5 small pieces of fruit. Then wait 15 minutes. Observe the body. If your stomach feels calm, eat another small portion. The rule is, little, pause, little. Don't rush. Let the system wake up step by step. Section 4. What to avoid immediately after a fast. For at least 2 to 3 hours, do not eat rice banku, fufu, kenki yam or plantain heavy soups, meat or fish, fried foods, sugary drinks, milk products, bread or pastries. These overload digestion too quickly. Your stomach will complain. Your results will collapse. You will feel sleepy instead of energized. Give your body a gentle landing. Section 5. The 3-phase breaking blueprint. Here is the safest structure for beginners. Phase 1, first hour, start with coconut water or fruits. Very small servings. Wait. Purpose, wake digestion gently. Phase 2, second hour, introduce soft foods like soft sweet potatoes, simple vegetable stew, small salad with light dressing. Purpose, restore energy without shock. Phase 3, third hour and beyond, now you can eat a normal meal. Not overeating, just balanced. Purpose, nourish, re-energize, build up gently. Section 6. What you should expect after breaking the fast. Good signs that show you broke the fast correctly. Steady energy, light feeling mentally, digestion feels comfortable, no bloating, no cramps, stable appetite, calm emotions. If you feel pain, bloating, or heavy fatigue, it means the first meal was too heavy. Then go back to lighter foods. Section 7. Spiritual and emotional breaking of a fast. This is very important. When breaking your fast, pause. Pray. Give thanks. Reflect. Dry fasting is not just ending food separation. It is ending an internal reset. Say something like, Lord, thank you for giving me grace to fast. As I break this fast, I break into clarity, health, strength and alignment. This seals the experience. Section 8. Why this video matters for you. Because the real transformation after fasting is not just, I didn't eat. It is, I protected the results of my fast. When you break your fast wrongly, cravings return, weight rebounds, clarity disappears, fatigue shows up. When you break correctly, healing continues, spiritual sensitivity remains, discipline stays, your appetite resets, your metabolism improves. That is how fasting truly blesses your life. Call to action. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. This completes the 4-part Fasting Foundation series. If you want more depth, comment below saying, teach me more, or I want the advanced sessions. Because the next phase is extended fasting, day by day breakdown, spiritual routines, deep detox patterns. So let me know. Final takeaway. Ending a fast is not the finish. It is the beginning of the results you worked for. Protect them, honor your body, honor your spirit, and break the fast gently. Congratulations for completing this journey with me. You are growing, upgrading and transforming, one fast at a time.